Welcome! March is here. Spring cleaning is here. You have no idea how excited I am that March is here and we have got the winter behind us. Hey, I'm Annette Marble, your favorite key realty agent in and around Central Ohio. Anyways, here's your March homeowner checklist. Let's get the linens washed. Think of all those blankets just laying around, stuff in the closet, draped over the couch. Go ahead and wash those on up. Let's get the windows washed and put your screens on. But if you're thinking about selling, keep the screens off so we can increase some more natural light for those photos. Spot clean your furniture. Swap out your front doormat for a pretty new spring doormat. Vacuum your mattresses. Yes, let's go ahead and vacuum those mattresses because those get kind of grody. Spring clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen backsplash, wipe down the cabinets, and clean under the appliances. Organize your pantry and throw out any expired products, but let me know how old those products are by posting or commenting below. Clean the mirrors, the lamps, and all the light bulbs. And don't forget your yard. It's getting ready to start to plant. Did you know I can send you a monthly checklist directly to your inbox every month? If you'd like that, just comment below.